Hi guys, welcome to you all, and today we are here again with the Raxon Entertainment channel, and today we are here with the new trendy headset Lava Iris 458Q unboxing and full review. So let me quickly unbox this so that you can see what's inside. So, I'll quickly unbox it. So here is the new trendy headset Lava Iris 458Q. So, and the accessories that you get is the screen guard, the charger, the USB cable, the headphones. The headphones quality is just simply amazing. In-ear headphones give you great sound. It fixes your ears completely. So first of all, I'll put the battery in the phone. Yes, and now I'll start with the phone. I'll power it on. See, this is the new device. So I have put my SIM in it. First, you can see the design. The 8 megapixel camera, the flash is great, the 3.5mm jack, and the USB cable slot. The great design makes it an unbelievable phone with a quad-core processor. First, see the features. The phone supports 4.5-inch touchscreen, 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, Wi-Fi 3G, GPS, 8.0 MP camera, and front camera VGA, 512 MB RAM, and 4 GB ROM. 2000 mAh battery, gravity sensor, proximity sensor. But you also have the light sensor and other sensors too, like magnet sensor, etc. So the battery is a bit low, but it will be okay as you can end the tasks. This is the home screen that you will get when you will load the phone. See, I'll type messages. The keyboard is just great. You can type easily anything on it. So I'll first of all show you the settings. Where is the settings? Here is the settings. Okay, I'll show you the about phone option. See, the 4.2.1 Android, model number Iris 458Q, kernel version is simply amazing 3.4.5, and the build number is also great. Baseband version is good. Let's check if there is any software updates. So checking. So your phone is already up to date. 4.2.1 Android is just great. The JB2 Jelly Bean 2 is just simply amazing. You get loads of preloaded apps in this phone, and I'll also upload a HD gaming review and benchmark test of this phone. So stay tuned to our channel, and that was all for the unboxing video.